What are we doing?
Wait,
Eh.
unlock it.
Where's Luke?
I did unlock it. I need to put the third seat.
Well, you can't because those things are in it.
You still can.
No, you can't.
He gave us that thing?
Mhm.
What is it?
Well, this is a bike rack, and these are things that go on the top, so you
How
can.
is this a bike rack?
I think it is.
That's second.
And this is the. These are runners
Great, there's
for.
no bar.
These are runners for the top, so that.
It's ironic. He said he'd never, when I talked about, we were looking at a car like a few years ago in front of us, he was like, I'm never going to buy a car with 2 exhausts. It's just stupid. They both can break.
These go on top, so you can put one of those
Mhm.
travel box things.
This thing looks so babyish. It looks squished.
What do you mean babyish?
It looks.
I'm taller than it.
It's
that's
so
why.
square, or it's so non-square. It's so rounded.
Yes, that is.
That one's square. I like the square.
You like the
And
square?
you have to put this
Oh, this is the new look.
Do what? Push this?
Yeah. And then,
Wait. Oh.
Look at the keys. You have to like. Wait.
Looks like a normal key.
No, you
that's
gotta.
what you got.
That's weird. You can't drive it.
I'm not. I'm just turning it on.
Yeah, I know how cars turn on.
I'm just turning it on. It has. Okay. One of my favorite features is for the winter months, the front seats are heated.
I call shotgun.
The front seats are heated.
I call shotgun. It's red. It's got the red lights. So it's an Empire car. It's got red lights.
But the speedometer is only.
Sammy, look.
It's not digital, so that's a little annoying.
Well, it's from 2008.
Look. You can move this and then see if you want heat.
Oh, and look, the doors have lights in them.
Okay.
And the seats are leather, so that spills.
Oh, yeah.
It's a cow. It's a cow.
And look,
How dare you not get vegan
Look,
leather?
It probably is vegan.
Look,
What the heck is that?
Probably his.
We should probably maybe give that back.
Mom,
What?
there's a box of keys.
Oh, it might. No, I think it's for the back stuff. It's the,
Is there anything in here?
No, not that big.
and then it has.
Look, look.
Oh.
And then you can
Look, it even has like.
And then for the seatbelt here, it's up there. You have to pull it down.
And then this thing.
What's negative and positive?
forward.
It's a manual, I guess. It's manual.
This thing moves forward so that you can climb in the back.
Oh,
But it's hard.
turning things.
Huh?
Sounds like Euro Truck Simulator.
What?
Oh, and there's.
Oh,
one
yeah.
has a pocket.
It does.
I'm gonna buy a thing that's like a trash that you can put that
You
one.
guys filled up
I
with
need to
gas?
buy something like
So
that.
you don't
Oh,
have.
look.
I don't know. Look at the gas meter.
It's all the way up.
He might have. Full.
It is full.
So you could put 3 kids. I could take you and 4 friends.
Good games.
It's not that good.
Together with our differences,
What?
That's where she drive first.
I don't know how.
It's like normal.
stronger.
Back one.
That is for King and Country together on your encouraging W.
I don't know how to
wait,
do
there.
it.
It's already
Well,
off.
I've got music on the way from Elevation Worship
Go on.
also.
Okay, now it's off.
All right, I gotta move the truck over here so Luke can load it up.